आज ही डाउटनट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सोल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
The question first gives us a set P ranging from 1 to 25. Now, question says how many sets of integers can you pick from the set P so that they start with 1, end with 25 and consecutive numbers in the sets have a constant gap between them, right? For example, one way of selecting such a set of numbers is 1, 7, 13, 19 and 25. Since the set starts with 1, ends with 25 and consecutive numbers are at a constant gap of 6. So to solve this, I'll use the very basic equations for an AP, arithmetic progression. So let A be the starting value here. Starting value is 1, right? And the last term of any AP, like the nth term, so A, this is A0 or A0, yes. No, I'm sorry, this is A1, the first term, right? A1. And the nth term, An, is written as A1 plus n minus 1 times D, where n is the number of terms. So An is A1 plus n minus 1 times D, which is the difference between each term. Now, how this relates to this question is, the nth term, let us take it as 25, right? The question says that the first digit and the first number and the last number in the set is fixed, right? And there is a constant gap between each consecutive number, which means it is the same as this difference here. So this difference is added to previous term to get the new term in an AP as well. So this set, each set will get from these conditions. We need to find out the number of sets possible. Each set will be an AP, right? So we'll use this equations. What we'll do is we'll find out An minus A1, which is what happens when I send this to the left, which gives us n minus 1D, which is 25. An is 25 and A1 is 1, so 25 minus 1, right? Therefore n minus 1 times D is 24, right? What we can infer from this is these are two numbers, right, whose product is 24. So we just need to find out the number of combinations of two numbers which give us 24. So I'll start with listing out all the factors of the number 24. So we have 24 times 1 is 24, 12 times 2 is 24, 6 times 4 is 24 and 8 times 3 is 24, right? I might have messed up the order here, so I'll write the 6 here, right? So these are the 8 possible factors, 8 factors of the number 24, right? Now I can replace n minus 1 and D with any two of these combinations, any one of these combinations, this one, this one, this one or this one, right? I can have 24 and 1, I can have 12 and 2, I can have 8 and 3, I can have 6 and 4, or the other way around, which means 1 and 24, 2 and 12, 3 and 8, or 4 and 6, right? So in total I have 8 possible sets, right? Mathematically we can find this out as the number of permutations possible when choosing any one of these sets. So first I need to choose a set. I have 4 options, so 4 options of choosing a set. Once I've chosen a set, I have to give them an order. It can be either, like suppose I choose this set, it can be in this order or in this order, right? So there are 2 possible orders for every set, so 2, which gives us 8 possible combinations of these sets, right? Therefore, since this equation represents the number of sets possible which adhere to the conditions given, therefore there are a total of 8 sets, right? So number of possible sets is 8. Comparing with the options, we see option C is correct.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट, IIT, जेईई मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।